video, we're going to go over installing tubeless ready tires on your mountain bike using the Toki Joe Blow booster. What you're going to need to go through this process, starting with tubeless ready mountain bike tire, some isopropyl alcohol in a rag, box cutters, rim tape and a rim valve, tire iron, as well as a multi-tool, tire sealant, soapy water, and of course your Toki Joe Blow booster. So to start, we have our wheel and do a quick clean over with some running alcohol. We'll take our running alcohol and our rag, dab that briefly, do a once over around the inside of the rim, just to get any dirt and debris out.
Отличное утро. 2 августа 2025 года. Летний сезон движется. Далее видео пособие, как установить на горный велосипед покрышку самостоятельно от легендарной фирмы-производителя насосов Топик. Как установить ленту, ниппель, покрышку, как ее накачать так, чтобы она хорошо была установлена.
So now that our tire is set up tubeless, we can take our tire, pull it out, and it's always wise to check for rolling direction before putting it on. So we'll start by lining up the first bead of the tire over the rim itself and work it on toward us. So now that we have the first side of the bead of our tire on, we can work on the other side. So now we have our tire on. We just want to make sure that our valve stem is within the center of our tire, so it won't release any air when we start pumping the tire out. So after we've checked that the valve stem is completely enclosed within our tire, we take our sponge and some soapy water. We're going to apply soapy water to both sides of the tire within the rim, make seating the bead a little bit easier. So now we have our soapy water on our tire. We're going to move over to our Toki Joe Blow booster. Prepare to do a dry seating of the tire. At this point, we want to move over to the charge setting. You can pump it up to 160 psi. Now that we've hit 160 psi, we'll switch from charge to inflate mode. We should do several pops as the tire beads work their way into the rim. We can release that air from the tire. So now that all the air from our dry run is let out of the tire, we're going to need to remove the valve core from our stem. You'll need a valve core removal key. So we're going to do some gentle rotations on the valve core. Careful not to strip it, and take out our valve core. Keep the tire so the valve stem is up. Take our tire sealant and attach it within the stem, and holding it tight, we can rotate the tire and apply light pressure to feed sealant into the rim. You can rotate the tire back. Remove your bottle of sealant. At this point, we can replace our valve core lightly with the hands, and then a final couple turns with the valve tool. We're now ready to do a final pump on our tire. Switching to charge mode, pumping up to 160 psi. to inflate mode. Spread the sealant around with our tire. Since we're already in inflate mode, we bring the tire up to the desired pressure. Move our pump. And evenly coat the walls of the tire with sealant. Find that for problem areas, bouncing the tire quickly resolves it. So now we can take our sponge and soapy water and lightly coat the of the rim in order to easily inspect for leaks. So after you've made sure you have no leaks with your soapy water, you can do one final wipe down with your rag. And once that's done, you can go mount your wheel and you're ready to go on a ride. Tubeless tires have become standard on many bikes around the world today, offering lower rolling resistance as well.
Так что такое утро. Насос должен быть с функцией капсуля. Накачиваешь в капсуль воздух насосом, открываешь капсуль, он защелкивает покрышку бескамерную на горном велосипеде. Прежде чем установить покрышку, надо провести санацию обода. Если лента подрасклеена, ее вообще заменить, накачать, а только потом добавлять герметик, а не сразу наливать герметик, открывать капсуль и делать защелку. Так что такие дела. Такое 2 августа 2025 года. Такие лайфы.